Hello everyone, welcome to Sermilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you different video. The name is Petrov Defense Opening Reps. I am going to give you 4 different chess rep in Petrov Defense. Okay? If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. That's it. We can go to the rep number 1 in Petrov Defense. Okay. Hello everyone. This is rep number 1 in Petrov Defense. This particular chess rep is in 6 moves, white resign. Black won the game. Okay. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is for king's pawn opening. Now black chain. Black push his pawn to e5. This is also same moves. King's pawn opening. Now the second move of white. White knight go to f3. Okay, in the same time you can see now this knight attack the pawn. Okay, we will see how to defend the pawn. Black has 3 options. One is defend the knight with this pawn, or bishop come to here and defend the pawn, or push the pawn to here and defend the pawn. Okay, we will see. Now black knight go to f6. Okay, he did not defend the pawn. He attacked the white pawn with his black knight. Knight attacked this pawn. We will see how to count this much. White bishop go to b5. Okay, now you can see this particular chess game. This bishop attacked the pawn on d7. Okay, now black chain. Black pawn go to c6. Now you can see bishop need to move. Okay, because you can see now this pawn attack the bishop. That's why this bishop come back to c4 and attack this pawn. Okay, now white come to c4 and attack the f7 squares black pawn. Then knight take the pawn, and we will see white playing now another move of d3. Now this particular pattern, now this pawn, white pawn attack the black knight. Okay, that's why this knight too need to move. We will see. Now knight go to f6. Then we will see how to count this much. White knight cross e5 pawn. Okay, then queen come to a5 and beautiful check. That's why this game white resign, because this black queen there is a check. In the same time this black queen attack the knight. Okay, now we will see. Now black with the bishop, the check. Now this queen wrap the knight. That's it. That's why this game black win easily. Okay, let's go to the rep number 2 in Petrov's defense. Okay, everyone, this is rep number 2 in Petrov defense. In 10 moves, white won the game, black resign. You can see why black resign in 10 moves only. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5, king's pawn opening. Knight f3, king's knight opening. This knight attack the white pawn. Okay, we will see this knight attack the black pawn. White knight attack the black pawn. Then black knight come to f6. This is called Petrov defense. Okay. In this match, black resign in 10 moves only. Now third move of white. White knight go to c3. Okay. Then d5. He pushed the pawn to d5. Now attack the white pawn. Why the black pawn? You can see now two attackers here. This pawn attack the pawn, white pawn. In the same time, this black knight attack the white pawn. Okay. Let's go to the fourth move of white. White take the pawn, white the pawn. Then bishop come to g4. Now pin the knight, white the black bishop. Then bishop go to e2. Then bishop go to d6. Another bishop come to d6. Then we will see how to can this match white. White pawn go to d4. Okay. Then pawn take the pawn. Then queen take the pawn. Okay. Now you can see. Now this queen attack the bishop. In the same time attack the knight. Okay. We will see how to can this match black. Black make a beautiful castling. Okay. Now you can see easily playing white. White bishop go to g5. Okay. Now pin the knight. Okay. He cannot move anywhere. This knight go anywhere. Because if he moves like this, so this, then wrap the queen by the white bishop. Okay. That's why we will see how to can this smart. Now h6. Okay. Black pawn come to h6. Then bishop take the knight. That's it. In one move, black resign. Now queen cross f6. Then queen cross g4. Okay. Totally this game, white cast 2 rook, 2 knight, a bishop, a queen, and 6-4. What black has 2 rook, a knight, a bishop, and a queen, and 6-4. Because this game white win easily. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3 in Petrov defense. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is wrap number 3 in Petrov defense. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white push the pawn to e4. Okay, in 7 moves black resign, white win the game. You can see why black resign in 7 moves only, how to white won the game. This particular wrap. Okay, let's go to the first move of black. Black pawn go to e5, then knight f3, attack the black pawn, then knight f6, attack the white pawn, then bishop go to c4. Now attack the f7 squares black pawn, why the white bishop attack this pawn. Then we will see knight cross e4. He take the pawn. We will see another move of knight c3. Then knight take the knight. Then pawn take the knight. Okay. We will see how to can this match black. Black pawn. Push the pawn to here on d5. Now bishop take the pawn. That's it. In 1 move, black resign. You can see why black resign in 1 move only. Now he puts the pawn to c6. That's it. Now beautiful move make white bishop. Bishop cross f7 and beautiful check. There are 2 options. One is king need to move like this or cut the bishop. First I will show you, if cut like this, wrap the queen. That's it. If go back, if push back like this, then this bishop go to there and check, and cut like this, wrap the queen. That's it. That's why this game easily won white, because white has queen, black has not queen. Okay, this is very good chess wrapped in Petrov depends. We can go to the last rap name is Petrov depends rap 4. I am going to explain and analyze another rap. Okay, let's go to the rap number 4. Everyone, this is rap number 4 in Petrov depends. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white e4. In 8 moves, black resigned, white won the game easily. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the first move of black. Black pawn go to e5. Okay, now knight go to f3, knight f6, bishop go to c4. Now knight take the pawn, then bishop cross f7 and beautiful check. This is different chess rap. Okay, please watch until finish this video. If king got the bishop, that's it. In 2-3 moves, black resign. We will see why. Now knight cross e5 and beautiful check. Then king go to g8. That's it. Now beautiful move make. White made a short castling. Okay. Then we will see. Come to cancel this match black. Black pawn push the pawn to d6. Okay, that's why easily won the game white. We will see. Now queen go to f3. Okay, now attack the knight. That's it. Now pawn take the knight. Then queen go to b3 check. Okay. Now black cannot do anything. Only black with the bishop. That's why black resign. Now cut the bishop. Why the white queen and checkmate? That's it. This is rap number 4. Petrov depends. That's it. This is part 1 video. I am going to give you the part 2 video tomorrow. Okay. Today's video ended. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.